He loves all these noises and games and stuff, don't you? Hey? You hear him? You're so funny, aren't you? You're so funny. Yes, you are. I'm lighting us up by the TV screen. Had to find something that was light. Yes, because you're so funny. You're a nutbag. You're a nutbag. Yes, you are. Have you got kisses? Because it's going to be Valentine's Day tomorrow. It's gonna be Valentine's Day tomorrow. I think we should give everyone kisses. Yeah. Should we give everyone kisses? Ready? Mwah! I love you. Mwah! We've got cuddles. We haven't got any kisses at the moment. Have you got cuddles? Have you got cuddles? Aww. Have you got cuddles? Aww. You gonna give me some cuddles? Oh, yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, yummy, is it? Have you got cuddles? What about some kisses? Have you got kisses? Have you got cuddles? What about some kisses? Have we got some kisses? Have we got some kisses? I love you. Oh, I love you too. Cuddles. We've got lots of cuddles tonight. What about some kisses? Ooh. Have you got kisses? Kisses? What about kisses? Kisses. Have you got cuddles? Have you got some kisses? Whoa, kisses. I love you too. And say happy Valentine's Day. Well, he can't say that, but I can say that. Wishing you all a wonderful Valentine's Day with lots of kisses and cuddles from Pluto. Yay. See you in the next video. Say bye-bye.